If you are wondering if we have the split screen view available on Realme GT 8 Pro, then the answer is yes, we do. And we actually have three ways to activate this split screen view. You can, for example, go to the background apps. So once you open an app, you can go to background apps, tap on the app name over here at the top side, and choose split view. Then of course we can choose the second app to open in this split screen view, just like that. Besides that, we can also go to the sidebar, and over here on the sidebar we can drag an app from the sidebar and drop it on the upper or lower side. It doesn't really matter because usually it goes to the upper side anyway, but of course we should be able to switch. Can we actually switch from one side to another? Actually, it seems that we cannot. We can expand the view and we can apparently replace the app, but we cannot really switch the view. So it seems that it will always be on the top side. And besides that, if you use gestures for navigation, what you can also do is if you have an app opened, then you can start dragging from the bottom and then towards the upper left side. And as you can see, we can release over here in order to enter the split screen view. And then of course we can choose the other app. Subscribe to my channel.